Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn on how to send video from your Dropbox to email. It's an easy and simple process, so make sure to watch this video till the end without skipping. So let's get started. Currently, I'm in my Dropbox account and I have this video that I want to share. To do so, you can directly tap on the share button, or you can tap on this three dot for more options. Then under the share, you will have an option for Gmail. If you can't find Gmail here, simply tap on Connect More Apps. Then you will find Gmail here, simply tap on Connect. And here you need to type the mail that you want to send this video to. Now to send this video, simply tap on the Send button. And guys, that was it. We have successfully sent a video from our Dropbox to an email. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I will be happy to help. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.